Soil is a dynamic mixture composed of minerals, organic matter, gases, and water. Minerals consist of the fine earth fraction, sand, silt, or clay. The coarse fraction of soil includes any soil particles greater than 2 millimeters, such as boulders, stones, gravels, and coarse sands. All carbon-containing substances in the soil, including living microorganisms, plants, and animals, and their remains, are organic matter. Gases include oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Under waterlogged conditions, concentrations of methane, hydrogen sulfide, and ethylene may also be found. Water causes soil particles to shrink and swell and to stick to one another to form aggregates. Water is also necessary for chemical reactions that release or tie up nutrients, and for the many soil microorganisms that have a symbiotic relationship with vegetation. 5 interdependent factors influence the formation of soil. 1. Parent material, geological or organic. 2. Climate, mainly temperature and precipitation. 3. Living organisms, primarily native vegetation, but also microbes, soil animals, and increasingly human beings. 4. Topography. And 5. Time. Soil formation is a long-term process. Due to the many differences that can occur within each soil-forming factor, many different soil conditions exist. The USDA Soil Conservation Service recognizes over 14,000 soil series.